What is up? It's me and my friend, what should we name her? Or him? Larry. It's me and Larry. We're back with another YouTube video. Wait, do I do my intro first or second? Do I want to scare people when they click on the video, or do I want to like look decent? What's up guys, it's Rochelle. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Since I personally love makeup, I thought it would just be fun to play around on camera. Today I did this little purple eye look. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling fun, I'm feeling fresh. I usually never play with color. I thought it was gonna be trash, but I kind of like it. So if you want to see how I did this, then make sure to keep on watching. All right, let's just get started. Ooh, that just broke. That's good. Let's just get started with today's video. I bought this $5 headband just for this video. I don't know how it looks on me, but we're gonna figure this out. Okay, whoa, I already hate it. I look like an infant. You know what? It's fine. It'll do the job. I think this is honestly how I'm gonna leave the house today. It's a really cute look. We're just gonna keep this on my head and do our makeup. Today I was feeling like a purple eyeshadow look. I don't know why. I have never done purple, so this could either go pretty cool or really bad. So I got my handy dandy mirror. I'm just gonna set this over here, so if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking in my mirror. I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow first because there's definitely gonna be fallout. Like, let's just be real. I'm gonna just take like a neutral, transition shade and just put that in my crease before we tap in some purple. I literally hate the faces I make when I apply eyeshadow. I look really interesting. Yeah, I'm just gonna repeat the same steps to the left eye. Time for the fun part. I'm gonna take this color right here and just put that in my crease. Wish me luck. Okay, not bad, not bad. We're gonna just keep doing that. I'm gonna add some to my left eye first and then just keep going back and forth. Is it just me, or is it always easier for one of your eyes to blend out than the other? Like, do you have one eye that you always do better than the other one? Because I have that. My right eye, I always do my right eye better than my left eye. Sorry that my left eye is closest to you. So I'm just gonna take this brush. I'm going to apply a little bit of this concealer, and then we're just going to carve out our eye. Okay, so now that wow, I just went through puberty for a second. All right, so I'm just gonna take my Lorac Pro contour kit. This was my favorite for the longest time. I'm just gonna take the beige highlight and just pat that where I put the concealer. Sorry if you hear my dogs fighting in the back. Oh, yep, that's them. All right, now I'm just gonna repeat that same step to my left eye. I'm going to be applying the glitter eyeshadow before I go back in and blend everything up. I'm going to take this bright purple right there and put that all over my lids. That's a really pretty color, wow. Wow, I picked the wrong brush, so I'm gonna pick a different brush to do that with because, oh my god. So I'm gonna use this brush instead. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit and then pick up the product and just apply that all over my lid. My eye is purple. Shit, okay. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm doing it pretty messy right now because I'm gonna go in and clean it up once I blend. But yeah, I'm just like applying the base pretty much right now and itching my nose, you know, relatable. I honestly feel like Ursula. I don't know if that's a good thing yet. Now that I just packed my lid with purple eyeshadow, we're gonna take that same fluffy brush and we're just gonna pick up that same purple and blend. Now that I literally look like a grape, we're going to be moving on to our face. I'm gonna use my Cover FX primer, my favorite primer, you already know. I'm honestly scared to use a different primer because this one doesn't break me out, as I say that with all my zits, but this one honestly doesn't break me out, so I don't want to like switch it up and then mess my skin up even more. Also, I found a new product to use for my skin. It's this like tea tree oil stuff from the Body Shop, and it works wonders. I'm just gonna go in with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. And we're done. I'm just kidding. All right, so now I'm just gonna blend this bad boy out. My whole thing with foundation is that I'd rather be too light when I put it on than orange, you know? Because at least I can like salvage it with bronzer, you know? But like if I'm way too orange to begin with, there's no helping me. We're going to set it with my Bare Minerals Pro Powder Foundation. It's time for eyebrows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows lightly. That's good enough. Now it's time for my favorite part. Let's bronze up my face. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs bronzer with an angled brush. Ooh, yes. feeling alive. Now it's time to add blush. Blush is honestly my favorite part. I'm using my Laura Geller blush. I kind of want to add some freckles. I haven't done that in so long though, and I don't really want to mess it up, so maybe I won't. Next, highlight. Like, look at that highlight. Okay, highlight, I see you. That is just like beaming. Like, look at that. I look like I'm sweating kind of, but it's fine. I'm gonna go back in with my bronzer, and I'm just going to lightly carve out my nose. Make it look like I got that nose job, you know? Nose snatched. So now that our face is pretty much done, I'm going to add mascara, and then I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to use my Better Than Sex mascara and just put this all over my eyelashes. Ooh, I honestly like this. Okay. It was looking a little sloppy, but honestly, once you put mascara on, your trash looks like a work of art, so it's totally fine. Okay, well, there's black on my eye, but honestly, you can't really see it, so I'm just gonna leave it. I might just like take this and try to like blend the mascara away. There we go. I might add a little bit to my lower lash line just to pull it all together. I'm gonna use some of the purple that I used in my crease on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this flat brush. I'm gonna get closer to my waterline, but like still stay on my lower lash line and just kind of blend that out.
And there's another streetwear store over here that has a bunch of nice shit. I just got another pair of Yeezys.
What the hell you want without me? I just added it to my lower lash line. I'm not gonna do mascara on my lower lash line because personally when I do that, it looks like I have spider legs just chilling on my eyes. This is the finished makeup look. I honestly, oh wait, no it's not. What the heck? Lips. Let's do some lipstick. I think I'm just gonna keep it nude. It's Velvet Teddy from MAC. All right, so now we got our lipstick on. And we are donezo. That is it for the whole look. I'm really happy with it, not gonna lie. I didn't think it would turn out like this. I honestly thought this video would go in the trash, but you might actually see it now. Wait, should I add something to my inner corner, or is that too extra? Do I add like a little bit of light to my inner corner, or do I just leave it? Whatever, I'm just gonna leave it. So yeah, this is it for the finished look. You like the bow? I'm keeping that in all day probably. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and join the family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what color I should play with next, and I will do that. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.